Hello everyone, this is a demonstration video on how to record classes as well as uh, prepare an assignment project for students. First of all, make sure you have the updated version of Teachment. Then click Teachment app. Once it opens, you'll see all your classes on your screen. I have created a class, the demonstration class, in which I'll do all the changes. First of all, click the class for which you want to create an assignment. Suppose I want to create an assignment for this class, demonstration. So I'll first of all click the demonstration class, and then I'll go to the assignments tab. Remember, if you do not create assignment, then students will not be able to submit assignments. So we'll search the assignment button here, recordings, tests, notice board. Here you go, the assignment button. Just click here. Once you click here, you will find an option, create assignment. Second step will be to click the create assignment button. Once we tap, we have an option here. Suppose the topic that on which we'll give assignment is suppose Cold War. Description. In description we write suppose about cruise missile crisis. Submission date say 10th 12th of July. Submission time 11 a.m. Mark suppose whatever you want to give, 10, 5. Then if you want to add any attachment, you can click here and add attachment if you want, images, documents or camera, whatever you want. Attachment like any extra information that you want to give which the students do not know, and then create. As soon as you save, just click there'll be an option skip or add solution. You can add the solution, that is the answers, so no need to add solution, just click the skip button. Your assignment is created here. If any student submits the assignment, you can just open it. If you want to check, this is assignment and view submission. See, Rohit Kumar submitted his assignment, 1 out of 1 student. You have evaluated 0 out of 1 submission. So I can evaluate it right here only. This is the image that the student has sent. I can download it. Soon as I download it, I can view it. This is the photo that I've clicked. I can use the pen feature or highlight feature to mark. There is also the color option. You can mark it here. Whatever changes you want to do, you can do it here. You can highlight things according to your requirement. We can use highlighters also, erasers as well. Then we can use text if you want. And then after your evaluation is done, just click done. Once you are done, you can give your marks here. Suppose the student gets 9 out of 10. If you want to give any suggestions, you can click it here and then save. Submission is done, student's mark is done. Now if you want to send this submission status to the headmistress or any class teacher, you can just click the download button here. The entire submission will be converted into an Excel file, and then you can send it to the concerned teacher. So this is how you create assignments, because until and unless you create assignments, the students cannot send the assignments. For that you have to create assignment. Now coming to the recording class functionality, it's very easy. Just click the click the required class. This is the class that I want to record. Go live. When I go live, I can record this class. I can switch on the camera according to my requirement. Then here you can see there is a class recording option on the bottom right side. Here you have the recording class option. Just switch it on and get back to your classes. See, below my name there is a recording button that is blinking. It means your class is being recorded. Now what I have to do is after the class ends, I just exit the class. Leave class, end class for all. End class for all, the class ends, and after some time you'll get the recording here. I'll give you show you a simple example. No need to do anything. This is my Pol Science class recording. This is the recording of 6th of July. I can download it. It is better not to download. Just click it here and you can see the recording. So this is the recording option, and please remember to click the recording button as soon as the class starts, and then automatically it comes in the recording tab. Here is the recording tab. You can find the lectures here.